Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am unboxing our new white dresser that I got for our bedroom to replace our cherry wood one that I was talking about in one of my recent videos, how I never showed the area because that dresser just clashed with everything. So I'm super excited to finally get this dresser that matches the rest of the room. Also, after I get the dresser set up, I got some new beautiful chandelier type lights for my closet, and I'm getting those hung up and they just look so pretty. So stick around to the end if you want to see what those look like.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do?
And there it is, the dresser that has been driving me absolutely crazy to look at. I mean, it is a beautiful dresser, but as you can see, it just does not go well in this room, and the color was really just stressing me out. So I'm super happy to be getting rid of it. And this dresser is full of all of my husband's things, so I'm just taking everything out so that I can easily move it out so it won't be so heavy. And then I'm going to put all of the stuff back into the new dresser, and hopefully I can weed out a few things, or he's going to pick through it whenever he gets home so we don't have so much stuff going back into the new dresser.
Oh, I can't get enough.
I just love vacuuming under a freshly moved piece of furniture. Here I am just dusting off the baseboards because it can get pretty dusty back there when you never move a piece of furniture. And there's still an indentation in the carpet from where that sat on the ground. I'm kind of happy that the new one has legs that lets it set up a little higher. And I was so impatient, I didn't want to wait for my husband to get home to help me move it, so I just scooted it in there all by myself.
Can't go where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you?
I'm glad with this piece I didn't have to change the hardware. I just used the hardware that came with it because it was very, very pretty. And now I just need to find some artwork to hang above the dresser.
There is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you?
So that is it. I got all the knobs on, I put all the clothes back in, and he helped me put them in whenever he got home, and he moved the old dresser out and took it away. And now I have to get my extremely messy closet cleaned up so that when he gets home he can also hang up our brand new lights, which I am so excited about.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound.
Yikes, I know there are clothes everywhere. I feel like I need to do like a big closet purge or something because they are all on the floor, because I will try something on and I won't like it, and then I will throw it in the floor in a rush until I find something that I do like. So I really just need to get rid of the things that I keep throwing on the floor, and maybe that will solve some of the problem.
Read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
I know that time does not stand still. Can see the world when it's spinning, spinning, compensating for the moments that I spilled. Wish I could fly like an airplane, airplane. Stop forsaking everything that I've done. Won't be breaking easily now. I could make it even though the lights are out. So I wait for my cue.
Now this is definitely embarrassing. My vanity is out of control. I'm just wiping down some of my makeup palettes and trying to organize everything as best as I can.
I want it, no other way, no other way, other way.
I really do need to invest in a nice makeup light. I really wanted a light up mirror or something, but right now I'm just using that desk lamp with a really bright bulb in it. I know, that's pretty sad, huh?
Try to pin me down, you don't have a clue. Wouldn't understand if I showed you every bit of me.
I do love my little vanity area though. That is an old table that I had, and my husband put a piece of quartz on it, and it is just so pretty, and it's really easy to clean up. And I got that really pretty mirror at Hobby Lobby, although it does not have any lights. Hopefully I could find one that does. I didn't want to hardwire any into the wall just in case I didn't keep a vanity in this space, because there was clothes hanging in this area, and whenever I redid my closet I decided to put the vanity in here. I just think it is so cozy in here, and it just gives me privacy, because before I would put my makeup on in the bathroom at our sink, so this is definitely a much better setup.
No other way, other way. So watch me fly. So
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things can come to those who wait. 'Cause you make me feel like this is for real. And I want you till trees grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fall with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's standing up for you. It's standing up for you. Ooh. Standing up. Standing up for you. Ooh. Standing up. Standing up for you. Break down when we're apart. Too far, I'm in the dark. Now don't fold my foolish heart. And don't wait for magic spark.
You may already know, but we have a Boston Terrier, and I found this adorable Boston Terrier canvas at Kirkland's a while back, and I thought that my closet will be a perfect place to hang it. And I'm hoping maybe to get like another canvas of that size to hang underneath it. I just thought it was so cute. But now my husband is home and we have the lights out and he is installing them for me, and I'm so excited to get rid of those lights that we had in there and get these new ones put up.
Standing up for you. Standing up for you. Ooh. Standing up. Standing up for you. Ooh. Standing up. Standing up for you. And all I need is reassurance. All for you. Long time. All for you. I want you till trees grow on the moon. You're a falling star. I wanna fall with you. I want you till.
So we went to Menards the other night to get some lights for the closet because I had taken a picture of one on my phone a while back and I decided that I wanted to get that light, so we went there to get it, and I just love their lighting department there. And I noticed once we got there that it was a special order light, so I was kind of bummed because I was really excited about getting the lights that day. So I looked around and I found these, and I'm so glad I did because not only were they cheaper, but I really think they look perfect in here, and I'm glad I got these instead. One thing I always forget whenever I get a crystal chandelier is that you have to hook each one of the little crystals on one by one, and there were so many. My husband had to run out to the garage to do something, so I decided to get a head start on hanging these crystals up, which was no fun at all.
Stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
Look at my husband, isn't he sweet, for taking me to the store to buy these beautiful lights for our closet and taking the time out to hang them up. I wouldn't get half the projects done, or probably any of them done around here, if it wasn't for him. I cannot believe what a game changer these lights were. These funky little bulbs that go in there, I didn't even think about it. I always usually buy my own bulbs because I use daylight bulbs in all of our lighting here, but these were not daylight because they have like a yellowish pinkish hue. But wow, I don't know, I think I'm going to keep them like that because it just makes it so beautiful and cozy in the closet. I can't even begin to explain the ambiance, but these lights were definitely a game changer, and my neck was hurting the next day from looking up over 150 times to hang all of those little things up, but it was so worth it because they looked so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the lights in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!